Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete synchronized contacts from your Google account. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under this video and also write your comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And if you'd like to get rid of any old or no longer needed license plates, then I recommend that you first go to the Play Store on your Android and then go to the search box and type in the word contacts and go to the Google Contacts app. Download that app for yourself. Once it's already downloaded, click Open. And then you will need to allow such application to give access to all your contacts. Once you give it access, you'll see absolutely all the contacts that you have on all your Google accounts. And further, so that you can delete some of your previously synchronized contacts, you'll need to go to the organization option at the bottom. Now friends, scroll down to the bottom, click on Settings, and in the Settings, select the lowest option. Now you will have to select the exact Google account from which you would like to delete some contacts. Now you'll be taken to a window like this, where you can choose a time period. And this ranges from 10 minutes to, for example, 1 week. You can select such a time for which you would like to delete the contacts that have been synchronized during this time period. You can also manually set such a time. Click here to do that. And as you can see, this calendar will appear with a maximum report of 30 days. Once you've set up the number of days you'd like to delete your synchronized contacts, just click Continue and literally in seconds, all the contacts that were previously added and synchronized in your contacts, they will be deleted from your Google account that you previously selected. Friends, here is such a simple and quick method you can easily remove synchronized contacts from your Google account on your Android. I hope, friends, this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, also put likes under the video. See you soon.